In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Google Calendar. Whether you use it for work or to keep track of personal appointments, switching to dark mode can make using Google Calendar easier on your eyes and give it a sleek, modern look. Today, we're guiding you through the process on your desktop using popular browsers such as Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Let's start by enabling dark mode for the entire browser. If you're using Chrome or Edge, the process is quite similar. First, open your browser and type in Chrome flags if you're on Chrome, or Edge flags if you're using Edge. This will take you to a special settings page where you can tweak various features. Once there, you'll want to search for Force Dark Mode for web contents. You can do this either by scrolling through the list or, more conveniently, by using the search bar at the top. When you find Force Dark Mode for web contents, switch it from the default setting to Enabled. This feature will enforce a dark mode scheme on most websites, including Google Calendar. After enabling it, make sure to restart your browser for the changes to take effect. Upon restarting, you'll notice that your browsing experience, including Google Calendar, has now adopted a darker theme that's easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. Now let's move on to configuring the dark mode settings directly within Google Calendar for a more tailored setup. To do this, open your Google Calendar and look for the gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on this icon to open a menu where you'll find an Appearance option. Select this and you'll be presented with several display options: Light Mode, Dark Mode, and Device Default. Choose Dark Mode if you want your Google Calendar to remain in dark mode at all times regardless of your overall device settings. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a more comfortable and visually appealing experience while navigating through your Google Calendar. Dark mode not only helps reduce eye strain, but also adds a dash of elegance to your day-to-day scheduling tasks. We hope this guide has made the process straightforward and easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.